Hey everyone, it's Kelvin from Electric Wheelchairs USA. I have two new scooters here from SuperHandy, and I wanted to show a comparison between the two. This one to my right, this is the Passport Prime. Now it supports 330 pounds of weight. It's the first four-wheel mobility scooter on their product line that actually has a delta tiller with electromagnetic brakes. So when you let off the throttle, the brakes automatically engage like a traditional mobility scooter. The total weight of the scooter is 52 pounds, and you can remove the seat and the batteries, and it folds flat, so it gets down to 36 pounds once you do that. You also get two batteries, so you get one that's on the seat. This is just like a spare battery that you can keep on you, and there's one in the back, which is the one that it operates off of, and between the two batteries, it's a 10-mile battery range. So I just want to show you real quick how to fold. So when you're transporting this, and this is why I think it's really appealing, because it's easy to transport, it's affordable. It's at the time of this video, it's just under $1,000. But if I could remove this battery, I'll keep it in for now. But when you're transporting this, this is what you would typically do. It's a telescoping tiller, so I would fold this in, or telescope it down rather. There's another lever right here. You press it like that, and now it's going to fold down flat. Actually need to telescope it a little bit more so I can get past the seat post. But when I fold it down, now it snaps into place. So this is like a front bumper bar, or if you have it in free wheel mode, you can kind of wheel it behind you. But this weighs 36 pounds. Now the other scooter, it looks very similar, but there are some key differences. This is the Passport Flex. This one also supports 330 pounds of weight. Total weight of this is 50 pounds. A unique differentiating factor is it does have a front suspension. Yes, it's got a front suspension on it. Has a up to 10-mile battery range. There's also an accessory hitch on the back, so you can add accessories like a rear basket or like a cane holder, things like that. I don't think SuperHandy currently offers any, but there's some aftermarket ones that you can definitely get, and they probably will be coming out with some in the future. The tires are larger on the Passport Flex. They are 7.5 inches compared to the Passport Prime, which is 6 inches. Another key thing about the scooter is that it disassembles like a traditional mobility scooter, where the rear wheels detach from the front half portion. And when you're disassembling it, the front half portion weighs just 22 pounds as the heaviest piece. So I'll just fold it real quick, or unfold it rather, or disassemble, I should say. So you can see it looks very similar to the other Passport. So when I put the tiller down, you're going to fold this in just like the same manner. Press that same button. I won't actually snap it down into place, because this is where you detach the rear wheel portion from the rest of the scooter. So now when I do that, this is the heaviest piece. And again, it weighs 22 pounds. So just a quick overview of these scooters. We have some other videos going over them in more detail, but I just wanted to show a comparison because they're very similar. And again, this one is, I don't think I said the price, but the Passport Flex, Passport Prime. Hope this video is helpful, so you learn a little bit more about these two new scooters to the industry. If you have any questions, call us. We're open every day. Numbers are below on the screen. And you can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. We're open every day. So Be happy to help educate you more about any of these products. Thanks for watching.